Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. Hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Homeschool. I am Nasima Akter, Assistant Teacher of Science, National Ideal English Version School, Morning Shift. Dear students, today I am going to take a general science class for class Junior 1 students. Dear students, our today's topic is chapter 9 and the name of this chapter is Keeping Clean. Let's see today's topic from here. Students, our today's topic is chapter 9 and this is lecture number 1 and its W number is 1 number. So dear students, let's begin the class. Students, this is our chapter 9 and the name of this chapter is Keeping Clean. Keeping Clean, and the page number is 21 number page of your science book. And here is written, look at this page, here is some images, and look at here is written, there are some items given below to keep ourselves and the environment clean. Point out and say for which purpose they are used. Among this picture, we can see first picture is here nail cutter. Nail cutter, we use this nail cutter for cut our nails. And second one here is comb. We use comb to comb our hair. And look at here is toothbrush and toothpaste. We use this toothbrush and toothpaste to brush our teeth. And now look at here is soap. We use soap for cleaning our body or washing our hands. And this one is shampoo. We use shampoo to clean our hairs. And look at here is a baby girl. She is washing her hands. She is cleaning her hands. And here is shower. We take shower for cleaning our body. And next one here is towel. We use this towel to wipe our body. And look at here is some clothes. Students, we should wear clothes, clean clothes every day. And here is a boy, he is trimming his hair. And look at here is a dustbin. We should throw all garbages into this dustbin. And here is some cleaning product. Here is detergent, soap for cleaning our clothes. And look at here is floor cleaner, and here is mop to wash to clean our floor. Now come to this page, 22 number page. Students, look at here is a matching. Match the following objects with their relevant function. Now we will do this match. At first look at here what is written. We will match this writing with these pictures. Here is written to brush teeth. What we use to brush teeth? We use toothpaste and toothbrush. Then we will match with this toothpaste and toothbrush to brush teeth. Next one here is to comb hair. We use comb to comb hair. Then we will match with hair. And now to wash ourselves. To wash ourselves, we use what? To wash ourselves, we take shower. Then we will match with hair. And now to cut our nails, it will be matched with this nail cutter. And after that, to have bath, after bath we use towel, then it will be matched with this towel. Let's do it. Okay. Now the last one. To clean the house. To clean the house, we use Y. Then we will match with this Y to clean the house. Finished. Students, I have finished the matching, and it will be your HW, and when you will do your HW, if you can't draw these pictures, you will write only the words. Like here you will be write mop, then you will match with to clean the house, then you will write here only word towel, then you will match with to have the bath, and after that you will write here toothbrush or toothpaste, then you will write to brush teeth. Only word you will write here if you can't draw this picture. Students, our today's HW is this matching. Our HW is matching, and this is our Eid vacation HW. This is our Eid vacation HW is matching, and this is HW number 1 of our annual term. And after Eid vacation, you have to submit this HW. So dear students, I hope you have understood today's topic. You practice it at home and submit your HW after Eid vacation. So dear students, stay home and we'll see you again in our next class.